Question number 1. Given fx equal to 4 over x minus 3, x not equal to 3, and gx is equal to 3x plus 4 over 2. Find fgx and gfx. Hence, determine if there is inverse function between them. So first of all, we highlight the function that we want to find. Fx and gx was given. We are asking to find composite function fgx, right? So let's start with the function f with the object gx. So normally we will copy the function given, but inside the bracket we will leave it blank like this. Alright, so the x is an object. We are going to replace with the function gx. Now the gx, the function now become the object. Instead of x, we will substitute gx as an object to replace x. Right, so let's substitute the gx into fx. So the moment we see x, we will substitute with gx. So that means the f bracket, we will substitute with the gx, right? These are the two places that we need to change. It will change because the object now change to gx. So we will substitute gx into the f. Before that is x, right? We copy the function is x, but we don't write. We will substitute with the gx. Okay, so the place of x now replaced by gx. Then we will substitute the function gx into the right hand side. For fgx, we remain fgx, don't do anything, but for right hand side we will substitute the gx which was given for over x. So now we are going to substitute the function 3x plus 4 over x into the gx there. So that is how you find the composite function, right? So 3x plus 4 divided by 2. That is how we find the composite function fgx. Now, how to simplify this? So we have the fraction down there, so we must make sure the denominator are the same. So we have to times 2 with the 2 times 2 over 2. Then once the denominator the same, we can join them into one fraction. So we have 4 over 3x. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. So it becomes 3x minus 2 over 2. Be careful, we are having 4 divided by the fraction. So in this case, some of you are quite confused with the dividing by fraction. So you can write like this. And then you can just make it multiply. And then the 2 go up, 3x minus 2 go down. And then we will simplify to the simplest form, 8 over 3x minus 2. And the condition is x cannot be equal to 2/3. Why? Because the denominator, if you let the denominator equal to 0, your x is 2 over 3, right? So the function will be undefined when the denominator equal to 0. So we must write the condition so that the function is valid. Okay, so we have found the fgx. Now we are going to find gfx. So we have to copy down the gx first. Alright, so gx is 3x plus 4 over 2. So the same, we will copy g. When we see x, we leave it blank. 3x, x we don't write, right? Okay, then plus 4 over 2. So we will copy the exact function except the x we know we are going to replace by the object, and now the object is a function fx, right? So the left hand side we will write fx, the right hand side we will substitute the function fx into there, so it's 4 over x minus 3. We're going to substitute this whole function into there. So let's simplify carefully. So fx was given in the question 4 over x minus 3. So now we will write 3, and then we will substitute the function 4 over x minus 3 into there. The rest remain unchanged, right? So here we substitute 4 over x minus 3. Okay, now we need to simplify carefully. So it will become 12. 3 times 4 is 12. X minus 3 is still there. Plus 4 over 1. And as I say, we need to make the denominator the same for x minus 12, right? We expand like that. 4 times x, 4 times negative 3 over 2, right? The whole thing over 2. So now we can join the fraction. The 12 minus 12 cancel out, so left 4x over x minus 3 over 2. So if it is over 2, it means that the 4x over x minus 3 divided by 2, okay? Always do like that so that you won't confuse. So now after that, we will make it multiply 4x over x minus 3 times 1 over 2. So we need to simplify, right? The 4x divided by 2 becomes 2x over x minus 3. And condition is x cannot be equal to 3. Make sure you write the condition. Now, if you observe these two composite functions, f(g(x) and g(f(x), are they the same? Alright, let's have a look. Our f(g(x) is 8 over 3x minus 2. X not equal to 2/3. This is the f(g(x). And g(f(x) is not equal to f(g(x). So conclusion is f(g(x) that we got just now is 8 over 3x minus 2. And g(f(x) that we got is 4x over 2x minus 6, and we actually need to simplify to the simplest form and write the condition, right? So g(f(x) normally will simplify to 2x over x minus 3. Always give your answer to the simplest form. X cannot be equal to 3. The condition still have to apply. Alright, every time check the denominator. Make sure you write the condition if there is an x under the denominator. Since f(g(x) is not equal to g(f(x), hence inverse function does not exist for both function due to fg not equal to gf.